Welcome back. So this year you may be considering upgrades to your home, or you may be going into full renovation mode. Tech expert Steve Koening shares innovations and trends bound to make your everyday life easier. In this Better Homes, let's see the best of list from the Consumer Electronics Show. So straight out of the Jetsons, is there any robotic technology that we're now seeing in the home?
Well, the Jetsons reference is right on trend. At CES, we witnessed so many innovations for every living space inside the home and out, thinking about creature comfort, security, health and well-being, cleanliness, all these things in play at CES to the delight of consumers.
So what are some of the products you're seeing that could help a smart home?
Well, what's really interesting in the category of smart home is that we're very quickly and rapidly pushing beyond just devices to include fixtures in the home. And some major themes that we saw at CES involved touchless and motion sensing technologies, even voice, to control these fixtures. Kohler had some amazing announcements with touchless faucets. So we've seen these innovations, for years in public washrooms. Now that touchless technology we can enjoy in our homes. And you don't have to actually install a new faucet.
We've seen a shift in appliances. So there's the great debate, right? Do we do air fryer? Do we do Instant Pot? I don't have time to store both. What are you seeing right now?
Well, that's another trend within the appliance, small kitchen electric space is multifunctionality. Really riding that trend pioneered by Instant Pot to bring a number of features to appliances. Panasonic, in fact, had a 4-in-1 Home Chef oven that did air frying and broiling. It's a microwave. It did so many different things, and consumers can get that right now. So replace that microwave with a much more feature-rich device and start cooking.
Yeah, cook that restaurant quality food. Now, can I also ask you, Steve, anything else that makes your best of list so that we can start 2021 right?
There's been a lot of innovations and more options for smart doorbells. I would put that at the salient of a lot of smart home device purchases, certainly last year and heading into this year. For obvious reasons, we're ordering everything online. People want to know when that package or even that pizza arrives at the front door. Security has also been top of mind for a number of households across the nation. And Samsung announced a very interesting program called Upcycling that allows older Samsung Galaxy phones to repurpose, reprogram those devices and use them as security cameras in the home.